Alright, hey guys, so my name is Paul. I'm the owner of PinoyCubeShop, and DaYan PanShi's just arrived. So we're gonna open this. So by the way, there's my stocking cabinet right there inside. Alright, so let's start unboxing this thing. I just came from school, just went straight here to unbox the first PanShi's in the Philippines. Right. Wow, there you go. PanShi. Darker blue color. Yeah, darker than the Lingyan box. Anyway, here we go. They are all in DIY forms. This is from another supplier. From a new supplier. Oh, yep. The core is quite small. It is small. So here are the stickers. Okay, there we go. Alright, pakita mo nga dito rin. Oh yeah, the little surprise I got for you is we have Funkan restock. Yeah, there you go. Funkans and PanShi's. Oh, the PanShi's are for pre-order. The ones I'm gonna be stocking will arrive most likely next week from another supplier again, since the PanShi's are on demand and the productions will quite yeah, there you go. Alright, so that's the short unboxing of this thing, which includes the Funkans restock. We have the black ones here. We have the black ones somewhere there, and the PanShi's with the box. So, thank you for watching, and this has been PinoyCubeShop. Paul, go. Alright, so just finished assembling this PanShi, and my first impressions are it really lives up to its name. DaYan PanShi means like a rock, so it definitely feels solid. But you can definitely hear some minor scratches to it. Comparing it to my Zanchi, the Zanchi feels soft. That's noticeable. Alright, so after about 30 minutes, I've finally removed the torpedoes. So here's what I recommend. So when you first got your DaYan PanShi in DIY form, do not first put the torpedoes, because you'll have the hardest time of your life breaking the pieces out, especially when you have lubed the cube, separating the pieces and then removing this stuff. So what I recommend is, when you first got this, just assemble it as is without this one, without the torpedoes, and then just solve it. You play with it already, and then when you feel like it's going to pop or it's too loose and feel the need to put this one, then you go ahead and put it. It's definitely hard to split this open again, especially when it's already lubed up, like what I've said. So anyway, alright, so I'm basically done splittering this, and it's actually looking good now. It's falling. Anyway, alright, here we go. Done again. Right, another one. We're at 16.14.748. Alright, so second solve. 14.49. So that's it. Make sure to wait for the stocks of my PanShi next week, and yeah, the regular restock will arrive most probably tomorrow. Yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and like us on Facebook. Yep. Thanks for watching. Bye.